5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, this is video 1 in the series of network marketing and getting it done the right damn way. I'm Dominic Izzo. I am the Bull of MLM, and this is my channel, the Bull of MLM Network Marketing Warfare. Enjoy the channel. The channel is all the way from past teachings to some fantastic interviews with people like Ray Higdon, the greatest network marketer of all time, the late Jesse Lee Ward, and many others. My purpose in this channel, to get you to stop fucking things up. Sorry, we're going to use some big boy language on this because this industry has shit the bed. Social media, holy shit. Social media has done nothing over the last 3 years other than sit there and perpetuate this lie, right? And the lie is, hey, it used to be, let me back up. The lie used to be, all you got to do is get 2 people and you're going to make $1 million in your first 6 fucking months. Now it is, all you got to do is make a reel. All you got to do is get the boss babes together and we're going to dance in the kitchen and we're going to drink wine and we're going to be, woo, retire my husband, and then point at these words that pop up in the air and put that online, and magically people are going to funnel into my business and then I'm going to make money. Guys, that shit's got to stop. It's got to stop. This is video 1 in this series. We're going to talk about what network marketing is, what you should be doing with it, what you should expect from it, period. Do not perpetuate the shit that everybody else does by thinking this business is easy. It's incredibly simple. It's incredibly simple. You talk to people, you get them to buy your product, and if you want, you talk to people, you recruit them, and you get them to sell a product, and you make money. That's it. So let's define, what we have to do is we have to establish some parameters for this video, right? We have to define what MLM is. MLM is multi-level marketing. Network marketing, direct sales, if you will. Some people call it social selling, but we're going to stick with MLM, network marketing. They're interchangeable. What you're doing is you are part of a company that sells a product or a service. You are reaching out to your network, your friends, your family, your contacts, your associates. You are trying to sell them the product or the service, and then you're trying to get them, recruit, to do the same. The first thing you have to do, you have to be proud of this business. You have to be proud. You have to stop shying away when ignorant people say, oh, you're in that pyramid scam. Guys, I've got a ton of videos for you, and I'll link them in the description for you to start looking at about how to handle it when somebody says, oh, you're in that pyramid scam. You can define. Well, define what a pyramid scam is for me, or point out the difference. A pyramid scam is when you exchange money for no product or service. I'm in a pyramid scheme. Fucking the anti-MLMers love that one, right? Because scheme is just another word for plan. Guess what? You're in a business that's shaped like a pyramid. But, and I'll just say this, I'm a retired cop, chief, commanders, lieutenants, sergeants, patrol, everybody's in a fucking pyramid. So if you're an MLM person or an anti-MLMer who's going to be mocking this shit, it's a pyramid. End of story. And the wider you go and the deeper your base is, the stronger your foundation is. I'm going to be talking about all the shit over the next several videos, including the studies, all the bullshit lies that say, oh, you got to get into the company at number 1. No, I'm going to tell you, when they first open up, you know, this is the only way you make money. If that was the case, then Herbalife, Amway, all these other ones that have been around for fucking 50 plus years, they wouldn't be standing today, and people wouldn't still be making money off of them. We're going to be talking about all this crap, including the horse shit of, well, only 90% of the people who come in don't make money. We're going to be talking about that. I'm going to shut you fucking liars up out there who sit there, take advantage of this shit and manipulate people. Define what network marketing is. It's 2 things, and it's only 2 things. Get it through your head. It's sales and recruiting. That's it. The next time some asshole comes up to you and says, hey, you're just trying to recruit me. Yes, I am. I am. I want to see if you'd be interested in doing my business. Learn how to do that. Be proud of the fact you sell a product, you sell a service, you're with a great company, if you are, and you are proud to introduce it to others to do the exact same and sell like you are. There's no shame in it. If you haven't been paying attention, sales is coming back. Right? The last several years has been automated, funnel filling, no personal attention, no personal development. It's all been call my number, click this link, blah, blah. People are starving for human connection. And you can offer that. And in the process, you can develop your skill sets and improve yourself. Personal development, right? Every business out there has potential for personal development. This one is one of the best ones for a very specific reason. We serve others. We solve their problems, right? So understand, get it right there. Get it through your fucking head. It is sales and recruiting. That's all it is. Stop doing the, well, no, I don't really try to recruit you. Yes, you are. Be proud. Look at people like Andy Elliott. Andy Elliott is blowing up on the internet because he's teaching people to embrace car sales. Car sales? Car sales, which was the biggest scumbag industry for how they made a movie about used cars from the 70s and 80s. Shit, I remember seeing that as a kid. Sleazy car salesmen. They all had the plaid window pane sports coat on that you made your skin crawl. But Andy Elliott is telling his people flat out, be proud. Anybody who's in sales takes a shit rap because we're taught to fear and hate money. We're taught to hate the rich. I will tell you, money solves all problems. I don't care who says what. If you don't have money and you know what problems can be solved with them, you'd be like, shit, yeah. So when the rich complain about it, they're just miserable, but their problems are solved, I'll tell you that. Skills. If you're going to be doing this, and we're going to be talking about this as time goes on, the skills you're going to need are sales skills, speaking skills, and branding skills. That's it. Integrity and character, I can't give you that, right? Network marketing or sales skills, they can be taught. You can learn how to sell. And what do you do when you sell? You pitch somebody on your product or you're recruiting. You handle their objections, and then you learn how to close them in the process. That's it. That's it. And there's certain things you're going to need to wind up doing, right? Speaking. Speaking is telling stories. I'm going to save you a ton of time. You want to learn how to speak? Go watch stand-up comedians, politicians, anybody who's telling stories, reading to children, right? The inflection of your voice, learning tonality, learning the difference between being excited and enthusiastic, learning how to tell stories gets your point across, right? Because what do you want to do when you bring somebody in for your business? You want to educate them. Well, educating people is fucking boring. How many of you people go to a lecture and you're like, oh my God, when's this over? Unless somebody knows how to talk. If they talk, if they could tell a story, they're engaging you. So if they're going to entertain you, they're engaging you, they're educating you, they're selling you. And then branding. I don't care if you have the greatest product out there, which so many people do in network marketing. There's a lot of phenomenal companies out there, a lot of them. The product could sell itself, but that's not what network marketing is, right? And that's not why people don't get paid so well, is because the incentive is to wind up having us push, sell, distribute, market the product. So ultimately, you have to learn how to brand yourself. You have to learn to build a trustworthy brand of integrity. That's you. That's you. So how do I have to learn to do that? Understand the difference between influence and manipulation. And we'll talk about that too as well. And then the last thing, business. Any business in the world is about solving problems and serving others. Oh, I'm hungry today. I'm hungry today. A restaurant or a grocery store is going to solve the problem of my hunger. Man, I have to get transportation. Car dealers solve the problem of my lack of transportation. Network marketing, you're solving the problem of people who don't have your product if you have a great product. Or how about the people who don't have a job or they don't have any income coming in? You're solving fucking problems. And I talk about this a bit. You're going to hear me talk a lot about the 3 C's, cash flow, community, and culture, right? Or commerce and culture. And the issue is you are in one of this business for one of these 3 reasons. You want cash flow, you want a community, or you want the business and the commerce, the product, right? So you're going to discover that, and you have to be serious and honest with yourself before you move forward in this business. This is a very short introduction to what we're going to be doing here on this channel and bringing it out there. So what you're going to do is you're going to sit down, you're going to review, all right, do I know what network marketing is? Can I define that? And if you can't define that, go look in the description of this video. You're going to see a link to how to define network marketing. What is network marketing? How to explain it. And unlike anybody else who just does the whole, this is what they do, right? I'm going to come up here and go, okay, so it's you, and then it's 2 people. No, dude, you know how to make coffee, right? You know how to make coffee? I have no doubt you know how to make your morning cup of coffee. But if I handed you these keys to a Starbucks franchise, I highly fucking doubt you can go in there, operate the register, do the inventory, know the chemical mixture to wind up cleaning the products or the recipes for all the drinks. You don't know that. So take your time and get educated. When you see this shit and these people do this crap, you have to ask them, all right, can you explain that a little further? Because this in itself, which is what, 1, 2, 3 circles and 2 lines, this is time. This is sales skills. This is the development of people, people connection, servicing others. There is so much happening in this shit pyramid that nobody likes to explain. But I am. I will do this for you. The other thing too is you're going to need to define and need to identify and know what a pyramid scheme is, because that's the first thing you're going to get challenged on with people. Oh, it's a pyramid scheme. Watch the other video I put in the link. I go into full definition and I arm you with all the information you need to be able to sit there and tell people, yeah, let's see how educated you are, thinking you're fucking smart at the holiday party. Uncle Joe, you're going to tell me, oh, you got one of those pyramid schemes. All right, motherfucker. Now I'm going to tell you what it is. Guys, we're going to be attacking this aggressive as shit. We are going to be going so damn full bore into this topic so that you can walk away and go, hey, I made the right damn decision. I'm in this business. Maybe my upline hasn't been teaching me the right way, but now I've got some ammunition, I've got some education. Or maybe you're going to go, no, you know what, this really isn't for me. And instead of continuing to embarrass myself, where I'm going to be doing these videos, these reels that aren't making me any money, and I'm going to see myself on an anti-MLMers channel where they're mocking me for the same shit they did or didn't do or don't even understand themselves, I'm going to step out. Either way, this video series is going to be about the right way to do network marketing. We're going to be counterbalancing with the wrong way that you probably have been doing it. And we're going to be cleaning up the mess as we go so that we can make you money, we can make you progress in people development skills, personal development skills, serving others. End of story, dude. This is what we want. No income claims. I can't control what the fuck you make out there, but if you make a ton of money off of this, I want to hear about it. I want to know that this video helped. So comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want me to discuss. I'm going to be having a set syllabus as time goes on. This is the first one in this series. You can email me directly at bullofmlm@gmail.com or call or text me 708-982-0974 and we can have a relationship together. You can call me, I will speak to you, and I will help you out and tell you what I think. But welcome to this series. Let's go make some money together. Let's go change some lives together, and let's change this industry of MLM together for the right reasons.